go. Opor Street. Yeah, right now it's your boy Pastor Lee, and I'm chilling with one of the best comedian in Adekunle Ajasin University, in person of MC
Foyee.
Foyee. All right, boss. I get simple question for you. All right. The first one says, what will you do if you become the next president of Nigeria?
I no get plan. Even myself, I no get plan. And when we reach there, now.
Okay, when you reach there, let's say you don't reach there.
If I don't reach there, I know lie. Myself, we go shop money. Number 10. But when we reach there first now.
All right.
Let's talk and say we are the leaders of tomorrow. Leaders wey dey there since yesterday and still dey there. I never know. They know they die comot.
But the new leader won't even shop.
And so we never even get up, so we go reach there. So we don't know where the country take the lead us to like this. We just do our own day.
All right, to the next one. What discipline? What's your discipline?
Discipline. Do I really have? I just try to be me. And if I notice, okay, I do something that you don't really like, I just tend to. I won't. You know, go me say whether I can't stop to the talk to you, but I respect people for who they are. Yeah, that's me. I respect people for who they are. I treat you the way you are.
You have done the worst of it.
All right, so when you are done in Adekunle Ajasin University, you are done, right? Or
no.
Okay, when you are done, what degree will you receive?
What degree?
Yeah.
Na BSc now.
What's the full meaning?
Bachelor of Science degree.
Bachelor of Science degree. All right, to the next one. If you, let's say you are talking to your girlfriend and you want to say this to in Yoruba, you want to build trust. Then you want to tell her that you don't shit. So how do you say that in Yoruba? I don't shit.
Mi ò yàgbẹ́.
Mi ò yàgbẹ́.
Mi ò yàgbẹ́.
All right, to the next one. You know, when person think too much, you can't breathe very heavily. Like, what do you call that?
Sigh.
Spell it.
SIGH.
Alright, Opor. Alright, to the last one. Say this in English. Please let the English be correct. We want correct English. A fairy way.
You wanna see crazy, let me more.
Alright, thank you very much.
You want to see crazy.